Okay, what do we have here? This is a little, it's called a DHT11, and it's to check the temperature and humidity environmental around you. So we're going to try to put it on here. That's, yeah, maybe this side. Okay. Just have to be careful not to confuse the polarity, because that can burn it. So let me see. The positive is on this side. Positive. Is put the positive here. And the negative on the blue railing. The blue railing is ground, and 5 volt is the 5 volt is the red one. Now we're going to put it in the pin. It's going to put in the middle. And if you look at here, it's a pin D1, if I'm correct. Yeah, that's a D1. Okay. So now I'm going to plug it in. And this is the code that I wrote down. It's very simple. Define your DH pin D1, and then you're going to call it up. And there it is. I gave a float. The float is because it has number with decimal number. So it's not an integers, it's a floating number. So let's upload it and have a look how it works. For next, the next lesson I will put the display on a screen, a small screen, probably an LED or an OLED screen. All right, let's have a look now. We're going to call the terminal on this side, serial monitor. I'll give it the correct byte. There we are. And now you can see the temp and the humidity is running on 15.6. You see, this is the temperature and this is humidity. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed, and I will do the next one with a display, one of display type.